I'm Bridget from the DIY Playbook, and I am so excited to tell you about my recent experience with LLumar window films. So our home gets a lot of natural light, which was actually one of the main reasons we bought this house. I love natural light. But after living here for a year and a half, I see that natural light comes with a cost. It has already faded some of our furniture, our rug, even our hardwood floors. LLumar window films help reduce heat, glare, they reduce fading, and they can still maintain your view. LLumar window films are installed on the interior side of the window in your home, which made me a little nervous because I didn't want those big picture windows to look like they had sunglasses on. But when I met with the dealer, he reassured me that you would not be able to see the window film and still let that natural light stream into our house. I was able to choose from a bunch of samples, and I chose one that was a very light film but still protected the couch and other products in our home. Installation only took about 2 hours in both the living room and the nursery. Now both of those rooms are protected from the sun. You can't even tell that there's anything on the window from the inside or the outside. My family spends so much time in the family room. So now with the window film, not only is our couch and rug and fabrics protected, but so is he as he looks out on that sunshine, yet it's still a light, bright place that we can enjoy as a family.